Hey, how's it going? Amari here. I just wanted to send you this quick video because I'm looking for a personal trainings or personal fitness business to work with here in Lexington, Kentucky. And I came across your website while searching Google, and I noticed that you were on the fourth page of Google, a little bit more towards the middle. And really, if you want your business to go to the next level, you want to be ideally on the first page of Google. You want to be, up here on the first page of Google, dominating this Google business pack. They call this the map pack, the top three, business get list here. And you also want to organically beat out Proof Fitness. This is your number one competitor right now for organic real estate. And I can show you some ways on how you can, improve the quality and ranking of your website so you can dominate the first page of Google and be on this map pack right here. So coming back to your website, Fast Track Fitness, now one of the first things you want to do is get some more content on your website. Content is key when it comes to dealing with Google, and they like websites with authoritative information on their front page. So on your home page, you want a lot of words, talking about fitness, personal fitness, why it's good, exercise, and really just, getting a lot of content on getting content on your front page is proof from just going on Google and typing in the word exercise. If you type in exercise and you come here, Wikipedia is the first business to pop up. Wikipedia is sometimes not not the most reliable source, but it is very reliable in the terms of Google's eyes because one, they have a lot of linking Wikipedia from other websites, but also two, but you can see just the amount of content regarding exercise and fitness that this Wikipedia page alone has, which is why when Google crawls websites and crawls Wikipedia, it sees all this content and all this information, which is why it ranks so highly for just a very generic keyword search like this. And then you start coming down to YouTube videos and other websites, but Wikipedia is by far number one website when it comes to that. So having a lot of content, a lot of authoritative content on your website is going to be really key to organically ranking your site. And that's not paying any sort of money for, getting your business advertised, because people aren't clicking ads these days. They're clicking for businesses that are organically ranking, on their websites. And your competitors aren't doing that much either. They have some, but it's not enough. And I can show you exactly how to get more on there. The next thing is citations and backlinks. Backlinks are basically votes from other websites. When a website links to your site, that is a vote in Google's eyes. And not all votes are equal. Your neighbor could say you're a good personal trainer, but if the governor of Kentucky says you're a great personal trainer, that'll hold a lot more weight, when people are looking at those votes. Technically, they're still one vote each. They still count as one, but in the eyes of Google, one vote weighs a lot more heavily than the other. So you really want to up, your referring domains. And right here, you only have one. And if you lose this, you'll slip even farther down in the Google organic listings. You want to get this trust flow up as high as possible. Your citation flow is all right, but without good trust flow and having that good one-to-one ratio of trust to citation flow, your website won't rank. And trust flow is by far harder to get than citation. And you can see your competitor, Proof Fitness, has 44 referring domains, but their trust flow is only 40, and you have a higher citation flow. So just because they have a lot doesn't mean they're better. So knowing how to get better backlinks, so increase your trust flow dramatically, will skyrocket your business to a better organic listing spot, on Google. And the last thing I do want to talk about is the Google My Business listing. So if we come here to the first page, one thing that you'll see is a lot of these companies, they have reviews. So the more you use um, Google's services, like their Google My Business service, they'll reward you for it. But when you have other people's put in reviews, friends, family, past clients put in reviews, that is when Google will reward you even more for having other people use their service. So getting that GMB program, which is free, and then getting people to put in reviews is a very key way to get your website slash company to rank higher. Along with this, there's citations. Getting more citations out there so you can spread your roots throughout the internet a bit more. Knowing what keywords to use, keyword quantity, how not to spam your website. Exactly how to manipulate Google's algorithms with other things, and how to find those backlinks. That's one of the hardest things you can do, which is why not many people have websites that are ranking organically. So your website is very good. It's a very good website. It has a lot of information about you. But the next thing you want to do is really start optimizing your website, because this is your online business card, and optimizing it is very, very key. So if you have any questions about this video, about citations or backlinks or content, just reply to this email, or just reach out to me at any time. I'd love to talk to you about it. Hopefully this video provided some good value. Thanks, and hey, have a good day.